Yes, these are the functions and actions of a small child, which it may be your sister, it may be your brother or your auntie's son or uncle's son or uncle's daughter. It's very cute to see children, how they move around, how they do their actions. They look out and they'll give different names. They don't call with the right correct name because they cannot pronounce it properly. So we agree to whatever they say, and it's very cute too. It's very difficult to explain how children react and how small babies do react, unless and until we see them and follow them. So it's a very nice poem. She wants to catch the moon also sometimes. She is so funny, she calls Ganesh Ganush. So this is the poem. It's a very short poem. So this is all about a brother talking about his a younger sister who does not understand his language, nor does she understand his actions. When he talks to her, she thinks it's a fun, and this is how he's explaining it to his mother, that your child is where your daughter is, your baby is very silly. He thinks that, but he's forgetting that once upon a time he was also that age, and he had also done that. Someone must have told his mother also that your son is very silly. Okay, so this is all about. So let's come back to the comprehension skills, page 74. It says answer the following questions. Match the actions of the speaker mentioned in column A with responses of the baby mentioned in column B. A. Play at eating with pebbles. Tries to put them in her mouth. A is number 4. Okay. Now open a book and ask her to learn ABC. Tears the leaves and roars for joy. That is B is number 3. Scold her and call her naughty, and laughs and thinks it is fun. C is 2. Call out father. She looks about and thinks father is near. So D is number 5. Warn her that he is the schoolmaster, screams and calls him Dada. E is number 1. D. So we'll come back from A. A is 4. B is 3. C is 2. D is 5. E is 1. Okay. Who do you think is the speaker of the poem? The speaker of the poem is the poet himself, Rabindranath Tagore. When I shake my head at her in anger and scold her and called her naughty, she laughs and thinks it's great fun. How does the baby react to being scolded and called naughty? She thinks it is great fun. That is how she reacts. She laughs and thinks it's great fun. Why do you think she reacts like that? Because babies don't understand. They don't have that feeling that someone is getting angry. They don't know what is anger and what is laughter. Babies are pure. They are so holy and blessed. How do you think a person would react if he or she is scolded and called naughty? Well, if I was a baby, I would have done the same thing, but I would cry. If I am a bit older, I would get scared. When I hold my class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the clothes, and I warn her that I am the schoolmaster, she will scream for no reason and call me Dada. When the speaker says he is the schoolmaster, does the baby believe it? No, she does not believe. What does the baby do? Instantly she calls him Dada. Give 3 instances of the baby's acts that are funny. You can say, what are the baby's 3 instant acts that are funny? Tries to put the pebbles into her mouth. She doesn't know the difference between lights and street stars. When the brother shouts at her or shakes his head in anger, she laughs out and thinks it's great fun. She doesn't know. How will children know, small babies know that the father is there or not? But she's in very love with her father. So as he says father is nearby, so she looks around in excitement wanting to go to her father. Describe the relation the speaker shares with the baby. Why do you think the speaker finds the baby silly? The relation with the baby is brother and sister. Why does he think it's silly? Because he's elder to the baby and he doesn't, and the baby is small. So obviously there is a difference of age, so the difference of understanding will be also different. Or you can write also this one. Why do you think the speaker finds the baby is silly? The speaker finds that the baby is silly because she doesn't know the difference between the lights in the streets and the stars. Simple. Do you think the baby is funny or a nuisance for things that she does? Would you scold a baby for behaving this manner? The baby is funny. Babies can never be a nuisance. Would you scold a baby for misbehaving in this manner? I would never scold a baby for behaving in this manner. Okay, so this is done. Question answers done. I have told you. Now you have to write it yourself. Next time we'll come to love across the salt desert. Okay, and please learn the word meanings. They are in the book. Absurdly, pebbles, leaves, roars, excitement, dada. These are the words. If you find any difficult words in these, please try to do it, and you will do. You'll do these only for homework without fail. Okay, so till then, take care and be good, and please finish this homework. It's a request. Okay, and love your parents and try to see if you have any small babies around in your house or in your family. Try to spend some time with them and see how the poem says to you. It's the same answer you will get. Okay, so bye bye. God bless. Respect your parents, love them, and lead a disciplined life. Practice your taekwondo and all. Do some physical exercise as well. Bye bye. God bless, and enjoy your independence. Vande Mataram.